Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Now I'm really big into sports. I love the sport of hockey and everything about it, and I really love hockey cards. The problem is, most hockey card designs suck. So I decided to take it upon myself to redesign hockey cards and shine them in a new light. Now I've already done this before, but I didn't record it or anything. It was for a school project, and these are what I made. Now hopefully you're able to see these, but each one of these took me a little while to design, and I honestly love how they turned out. So with that idea in mind, I'm going to take current hockey cards and redesign them into a way that's more creative and appealing to the eye. Just like the ones I made over there. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Also, one more thing, if you guys are enjoying the video and you like what you see, just hit subscribe. Doesn't take that much. Hit subscribe, hit like, do whatever you want. It's pretty easy. All you gotta do is hit the little button like this, and it changes to blue or red, depending on what you chose. So make sure you hit subscribe and you do the right things, and I love you. So here are some examples of the current hockey cards on the market. Now, with that being said, they're bland and boring. I want to redesign these to make them look creative and sort of, look good. So let's get right into that, and I'll show you my process now. Alright, so there you have it. Wow. Alright guys, those are my hockey card designs. I hope you liked them. They are here, or here, whichever side I want to use it. Maybe it just goes underneath me, who knows. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed what I designed today, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, I hope you liked, comment, and subscribed. And without further ado, this is the end of the video, so you can leave. See ya.